Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Jessica Mahlangu and I am the founder of Lehakoe Crafts. Basically, we're also based in Davidson and we are a crafts company. We do all things handmade and craft work. We basically also do wool work. I do wool work. I handcraft all of the items myself, and we do the wool work, which is like your hats, your scarf, and your big chunky blankets. But because like winter is over, so now I've switched it up, and I'm doing your self-care routine kind of products. So initially and officially, I only registered the business this year on May, my birthday, and the business was formed because unemployment. First of all, I've always been in the entrepreneurship space, and I just never got around to starting my own business. I always started helping everybody's business, and I never got around to starting my own. So during lockdown, sat with my gran and my aunt, and they taught me how to crochet. I know it's an old grand habit, but hey, it works, right? So I started doing that, and I fell in love. It's so therapeutic for me, and that's how I started. And the new business changes because we're going through the lot as entrepreneurs. So, we want to pamper ourselves, want to take care of ourselves, but we don't always have the budget for it, nor do we have the time to actually go sit in a spa for like half a day. So this is like a more time-effective, cost-effective way of pampering yourself and taking care of yourself. And that's why we are. Okay, so right now I'm only available on Instagram and on Facebook as Lehakoe. On Instagram it's Lehakoe_crafts, and on Facebook it's just Lehakoe's Craft as well. So you can just DM me there, or you can WhatsApp me, which is 067-615-3313. My name is Jessica and I am a township entrepreneur.